Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. Ashish here, and today I'll be covering a puzzle genre called Magic Summer Puzzle. Now this puzzle comes into the number placement puzzle category, and this puzzle was used or featured for a online contest called Puzzle Ramayana and was a recent contest on Logic Masters India. So the whole contest was constructed by the puzzles for the whole contest were constructed by Rakesh Rai, and Rakesh is an excellent puzzle and Sudoku constructor as well as solver. So he creates beautiful puzzles, and many of the online rounds for Sudoku Mahabharata and Puzzle Ramayana, Rakesh has constructed puzzles and Sudokus. So I would really suggest you to check out the contest page. Just the last weekend, the recent contest going on Puzzle Ramayana. So I'll add the link in the description below for the contest page as well as the link for the online interface of the puzzle that we are solving today. And now before going to the puzzle, I would really suggest you to subscribe to the channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles if you haven't done so. It will really motivate us to cover videos on daily basis. And if at all you have a request for any puzzle genre or a Sudoku variant, do let us know in the comment below and we'll surely make a video on it. And now coming on to the puzzle. So this puzzle comes into the number placement puzzle category, and particularly this puzzle, there were 3 Magic Summer puzzles in the contest by Rakesh Rai, and this puzzle was the highest pointer in the whole contest. So there were 22 puzzles in the round, which had this puzzle had 16 points, which is nothing but 1/6 of the whole round. So out of 22 puzzles, this single puzzle itself had 16 points out of 100. It was one of the toughest puzzle, and many people were actually stuck on it. So it had the least number of submissions. This puzzle has had the least number of submissions. So I thought of making a video on this one. And now according to the rules, so we need to place numbers. So this is the given range of numbers given here: 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. So usually in a Magic Summer puzzle, the range is 1 to 5 or 1 to 4, 1 to 6. So this puzzle has a different range. So we don't use the number 2, 4 and 7 here. So you need to place exactly 6 numbers in each row and each column without repetition. So there will be 2 blank cells in each row and each column. So there are exactly, it's a grid is a 8 by 8 grid, which means you'll have 2 blanks here. And there are some outside clues in outside clues given in the grid, right? So there are some outside clues outside the grid, so which indicates that, so let us assume that you have numbers written here 6, 7, 8 and 5 and 3, right? In between you have gaps here, which is nothing but cross blanks. So which means that these 4 numbers will be read as a whole, 1678, and these 2 numbers will be read as a 2-digit number, 53. So sum of 1678 and 53 is given outside. That is what the outside number indicates. For the row it is the same, and for the column as well as, right? So which means that whatever number is touching other number orthogonally in a row or a column, those numbers will be read as a whole. So multi-digit number will be read as a whole number, right? So if the numbers are 3-digit number, then it is read as a 3-digit number. If there are 3 digits plus a blank and then again a 3-digit, then it will be written as a 3-digit number plus a 3-digit number will give you something. So that is what the rule says, and there are a few givens in the grid. So in particular in this puzzle, I will mark the cells which has numbers with green and cells which are blank with black. So it will be easy for us to visualize the 2-digit or a 3-digit or a 4-digit number, right? And with that we'll start solving this puzzle. So usually in this case, so for example, if you see the 2021 here, it's a good thing. The starting row and column has 2021, the year 2021. So whenever you have a 4-digit number starting with the 2 or greater, right, which means that there has to be a 4-digit inside the grid. I mean to say, in that row or column there has to be 4 digits as a whole number, right? So 4 digits will have to be together, and if it is a 2021, you don't have a 2 used here, which means that the 4-digit number will start with 1, right? So this was a easy start of the puzzle. So as you can see, this has 2021, which means that there has to be a 4-digit number, and if you don't have a 4-digit number, you need to use 2 3-digit numbers to get 2021, which is never possible, right? So whenever the sum is greater than 2000, you cannot have 2 3 digit numbers to get a sum of 2021, which is never ever possible. Which means that the starting logic is this. It's kind of an arithmetic puzzle, right? Too much of mathematics addition used here, but as and when you solve the puzzle, you will get to know how to use such tricks and how to easily visualize will it have a 3 digit number or a 4 digit number. So now we got to know that the starting would have to be a 4 digit number, because the 4 digit number will have to start with 1, and as 1 is already given as the first digit here, the 4 digit number will start with the R1C1 for both the rows and the column for the 2021. Okay, and now let us see the remaining 2 digits. Will it be 2 single digit number or a 2 digit number? Can it be 2 single digit numbers? I don't think so it is possible, because if you had a 9 here, we would still be able to, even if you had a 9 here, it is not possible. Okay, so 2 single digit numbers are not possible, because a maximum you can get here is 1986, right? A maximum according to the range given here, you will get 1986. So which means that you will have 14 for the 2000 to be completed plus 21, which means you need 35 more with the 2 digits here. Not at all possible. So which means that this would have to be a 2 digit number, right? Something easy to see here. So which means that the center cell would have to be a part of a 2 digit number, because if this is blank, then you will have 2 single digit numbers. So this is a part of a 2 digit number for the row, and this is a part of the 2 digit number for the column. Okay, and of course the second digit would have to be 9, because for 2021 4 digit number plus 2 digit number will have to have 2021, so the second digit would have to be 9. There is no other way you can have a second digit else. Okay, so now which means that you have a 2 digit number and a 2 digit number here, that should give you sum as 121, right? You already had 1900. In the 4th place you have 1, in the 3rd place you have 9, in the 10th place you will have something, and the 1st place you will have something. 100th place is 9, right? And 1000th place is 1, which means that these two digit number plus this 2 digit number will sum to 121. 1900 is already done, so 2021 minus 1900 is 121. So you have too many options here, because you can have 53 and 68, you can have 58 and 63, you can have 38 and you can have 35 and 86, or you can even have a 36 and 85. Okay, so there are 4 options here. So we can't do anything for now. Let us see somewhere else. That's a really good logic with the 1004. Will this be a 2 digit number or a 3 digit number? So if you have this as 2 digit number, right, which means that you will need 996 more, right? Okay, 98, okay, 906. For the 1004 to be completed, you need 906. So it can be a 3 digit number plus a 1 digit number, or 2 digit numbers. So 2 digit numbers cannot give you 1906, not at all possible. And 1 3 digit number will start with 6, because 9 and 8 are already used. The maximum number remaining would be 6 here. So 600 plus a 1 digit number can never give you 906. So which means that this would have to be a 3 digit number, and then it cannot be a 4 digit number. A 4 digit number starting with 9 cannot give you a sum of 1000. So which means that this is a 3 digit number. Excellent. Okay, and of course this is already a 3 digit number, and the sum is maximum 3 digits, so you cannot have a 4 digit number here. And it's a really good start to the puzzle, I would say. So you already have the sum as 980 here. We don't know the ones place here. So 980 minus 1004 is 24. 24 can only be possible by having one of the 2 digit numbers starting with 1, because the next highest number is 3, right? So you cannot have a 2 digit number starting with 3 to get a sum of 24. So you need to have a two digit number starting with 1, and okay, so that means you'll have 990 and you will need 24. Sorry, you will have 990 and you will need 14. So that means the remaining digits are 3, 5 and 6, that sums to 14. Excellent. So you'll have a 2 digit number here or a here, anywhere. So you'll have a 2 digit number either here and a blank, or a 2 digit number here and a blank here. In whatever be the case, you'll have 1 as the starting number in the tens place for the 2 digit number. So whenever you have a case in these kind of puzzles in Magic Summer, so whenever you have a case that all the ones place or all the tens place of the multi-digit numbers, so maybe you have a 2 digit number here, let us assume you have a, I'll just show you what I mean here. You have a 2 digit number and you have 4 digit number here. I have placed all the numbers except the I'll show you a good trick here. 8, 9, 1. Okay, so let us assume you have two ones place remaining in these both of these numbers, right? So if your puzzle is correct till what you have solved, you need not worry about the two ones place. You need not worry about the two ones place, because placing numbers or swapping those two numbers anyway will give you the sum as whatever given outside the grid. So in this case as well, so as you can see, this is not a 6. In this case as well, so even if you have a 2 digit number here or here, you know that the starting number is 1 and all the ones place of these three numbers are empty and will be placed by 3, 5 and 6. So wherever you place the 3, 5, 6 anywhere, you will still get the sum as 1004. So in this case, in these kind of puzzles, you never look out for what numbers will go where, if you have only ones place or only tens place to be placed, 10 place cells to be placed, right? I'm sorry, this is again and again scrolling up and down. Okay, so which means that there will be a 2 digit number and a 1 digit number here, and which means that the first and the last digit would have to be numbers. If this is not a number, it will be a 3 digit number again, and if this is not a number, it will be a 3 digit number. So first and last cells would have to be numbers. Okay, and exactly, so 6440 is a very good number to start here. I would say very good number, because 6440 will use a 4 digit number starting with 6, right? Because the remaining 2 digits will be either a 2 digit number or two single digit numbers. So it would have to start with 6, and you don't have a 4 in the given range, so the second number would have to be 3. That's nice. So 6 and 3 would be the first and the second digit, and of course, as you know that the 4 digit number cannot start with here, the 4 digit number would have to be this, using these 3 cells. So it can either be this way or this way, right? That's nice. Okay, so I get something here again. As you can see, 1733, can this be a 3 digit number? So if this is a 3 digit number, you will never be able to get the remaining total of 1733 by using 3 more digits, because the two highest digits are already used. 900 and 98 is already used, so you will have 980 or something, and you will need 700 more. So it is not possible. At least you will need 700 to get the total 1733. You cannot have with 600. 9 plus 6 will give you 15. So you need 17, which means you will need at least 7 here. 9 plus 7 is 16, and plus the tens place numbers can give you a extra 100, right? Which means that this cannot be a 2 digit number. This cannot be a 3 digit number. This would have to be a 2 digit number. That's a really nice one. And then for 1733, you will need to have a 4 digit number, and you can directly actually write the digits here. So 1733 minus 98 is 1635, and exactly 1635 are the digits remaining for this column. So either 1635 would be this way or this way, and that's a really good logic. The 5 here eliminates 1635 as this possibility, because the last digit would have to be 5. So 1635 would have to be this way. That's a really good logic. And this logic again gives you a very good logic in the next step. Excellent puzzle. No doubt this is one of the highest pointers, right? 16 pointer puzzle, no doubt at all. So if you see here, this is a 2 digit number now, right? So a 4 digit number plus 2 digit number will give you 6440. and the ones place for a 2-digit number is 1. So to get to the sum as 0 in the last in the total sum, you need to have a 9 in the ones place for a 4-digit number, right? And you cannot have a 4-digit number starting from here, because you would have to have a 9 here, because you already have a 9 here. That means that the 4-digit number will have to be this cell, and this gives you a 9. And we have already discussed that the first 2 digits would have to be 6 and 3. And this is what I was about to say you, or I already said you. When you have two tens place to be placed, right, 2 digits in both the numbers are in tens place, right, then you need not worry which number will go there, because wherever you place the numbers 5 and 8, if you place a 5 year and a 8 year, or a 8 year and a 5 year, the sum will still be 6440. So that is a really helpful logic. And okay, superb. A very complex and a very sharp logic here, I would say. Can this be a 3-digit number? If this is a 3-digit number, as the total sum is 239, the first digit for the 3-digit number would have to be 1. You cannot have 3. And as we have already discussed, for 1004, 1 will have to be in the tens place for a 2-digit number. So you cannot have a 1 here, which means that this cannot be a 3-digit number, and you will have a shaded cell here, which means that all other cells in this row will have to be digits. You have exactly 6 cells in the column here, in the row. That's a really good logic, guys, really good logic. And with that we get anything? Okay, now as you can see here, 3875 will have exactly these 4 cells using, because you already have 2 shaded cells here. So the first cell would have to be 3, and okay, second cell cannot be 9, cannot be 6 as well, it have to be 8, because these are 2 single digit numbers. The sum won't be satisfied here, right? And you'll have to have a 5 here somewhere, because both the 5s cannot be here. So you'll have to have a 5 somewhere here, and which means that the ones place in the total sum is 5, and you already have a 5 somewhere here, which means that the other two ones place will have to have the sum as 10. That's an excellent logic. So which means that the only numbers that will have the sum as 10s, the sum as 10 are 1 and 9. No other numbers can have, no other two numbers when added will have the ones place as 0, right? So I'll brief you again with the logic here. We know that the 5 cannot be in one of these 2 cells, so right, 5 will have to be in one of these 2 cells, and the the ones place of the total is 5, right, 75. The ones place number is 5, and that 5 we are already using here, right? So which means that the ones place for other two numbers, the sum of the ones place for other two numbers will have to be 0, and which is only possible by 1 and 9, right? So which means that this cell will either be 1 and 9, and this cell cannot be 1 and 9. So this cell would have to be 1 and 9, and which means that this cell would have to be 5 now, and this cell is a 6 now. That's a really good logic, guys, really good logic. And which means that for the ones place, the number is 5, right? So for the 2-digit number, the ones place would have to be 6 to get the sum as 1, the number as 1, right, at the ones place for the total sum. So 6 can either be here or here. So which means that 3 and 8 would have to be in the tens place for both the numbers. So you cannot have a 3 here, so this would have to be 8, and this 2-digit number would have to be 3 and 6. That's an excellent logic here, and 3 cannot be here, so this would have to be 3 and this would have to be 6. And that really is a wonderful logic, guys. And as you can see here, 3263 would have to be a 4-digit number starting from 3. So this is the only possibility here, right? Okay, and you cannot have a 2 here, there is no 2 here in the range, so this cell would have to be 1, and this is a blank now, because you need to have 2 blanks at least. Okay, and okay, do we get anything else here? So you have already deduced 1733, you have already deduced 2021. 6440 is also done, because you have only 58 to be swapped anyway. Okay, 239, that's a really good logic. 239, which means that this cell cannot be a digit cell because it will have a 4-digit number and the maximum sum is only 3 digits, right? And which means that these three cells would have to be the number cells, okay? And these three also would have to be number cells. 2 blanks are already there. This cannot be a 3-digit number starting from 9, so this would have to be a blank cell and this is a number cell now. Nice. Can it be a 3-digit number? Okay, no, it is still possible, I think. 35 plus, okay, it is possible. And this, okay, either of these two will be blank. We are not sure of it. Okay, so let's see if we are missing anything else. And how do we get 959 here? This cell cannot be 1, 3, 8, 9. It can be 5 and 6, right? And you need to have, you cannot have a 5 here. Okay, this would have to be 5 and 8. Okay, so for 239, one of the ones place is 5, which means that the ones place remaining sum is 4, and these two digits would have to have the sum as 4. The sum of these two digits would have a 4 in the ones place, right? And is only possible with 1 and 3. Superb. So this would be 3, this would be 1, and this would have to be 8, which means that both of these are 5 and 6. You already have a 6 here. This would be 6, this would be 5, and 863. So what are the digits? What is the sum remaining now? It is 94, right? You need 94, which means either 91 plus 3 or 93 plus 1. So this would have to be 1 and 3, and the 2-digit number will start with 9, and this also would be 1 and 3. So either 91 plus 3 or 93 plus 1 will give you 94. So you already have a 3 here, so this would have to be 1. That's a really difficult puzzle, guys, and this would have to be a 3. Okay, and do we get anything else here? So 1004 is also done here. 3875 is also done. 3260, 3263. Okay, yeah, so let us see that. So 3100 is done, which means that 163 needs to be done, right? And 163, this would be a 2-digit number, this would be a 2-digit number. So with the 163 here, this cell would have to be at least 8 or 6. Can it be 8? So if this is 8, this would be 5. So 85, 163 minus 85 is 70, something starting with 7, which is not possible, right? Just a second. You already have 2 blanks here, right? So these 2 will have to be, okay, we can go with this way, right? Okay, that's a really good logic. You already have 2 blanks here. Both of these will be cells. So this is a blank, which means both of these will be cells. And okay, so these 2 cells would have to be 5 and 8. So this is 8, this is 5, and that gives you 1, 8 and 6 in these 3 cells, right? 8 and 6 is here. This is 1. Both of these would have to be 8 and 6, right? 6, 8, and which means that this would have to be 3. Okay, and this cell would have to be 5 or 6. Okay, so we have done something wrong here. There seems to be a mistake here. Okay, I'm not getting what mistake we have done here. Okay, there seems to be a mistake here. this 3131. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, it was the mistake is here in this column. You have already 3 here. I placed 1 and 3, right? 863. It has to be 96, right? So which means this has to be 5. Okay. 5 is so this would have to be 5. This would have to be 1. That gives you a 9 here, a 1 here. And okay, that was the mistake here. Thank God we have got this. And this cell would have to be 1 and 6, right? So it cannot be 6. This would have to be 1 and 6 will either be here or here. Okay, these two cells would have to be 9 and 3. So this would be 3, this would be 9, and this 3 is okay, 6 and 8, and you'll have a 6 in one of these two cells. So if it is a 63, this would have to be 58, possible. If 6 is here, this would be 36, and this would have to be 85, again possible. So I think so 3263 is the one that will help us here. If it is a 5 here, it would be 8 here, which means that okay, you cannot have a 5 here. If you have a 5 here, you will need a 3-digit number to get 3263. Superb. So you cannot have a 5 here. This would have to be 6 and 8, which means a 5 would have to be here. That's a nice one. A 5 would have to be here, a 8 would have to be here. That gives you a 5 here, and that means an 8 would have to be okay. So this is a 5, this is an 8, which means it the 1958, right? 1958 plus 63 will give you 2021. So this would have to be 6. This gives you a blank here. This is a number and this is a blank. And maybe we have completed this puzzle now. Okay. So this would have to be 6 and this would have to be 8 to get the sum as 3263, and this would be 6 and this would be 8. Oh, thank God we were able to thank God we were able to find out the mistake here. A small mistake having 1 3 pair written here, because it would have to be 1 and 5, and with that we were able to complete this puzzle. It was a gorgeous puzzle. I completed this puzzle in the contest and it was a very good one. It was really a tough puzzle. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and comment if you want us to solve any other Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.